Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to solder the display in a keypad phone. I am having a keypad phone. It is a keypad phone. It has 24 to 40 different varieties of pins. Could you able to see? Yes. So we are going to see how to remove and how to fix the display again. Not only for strip display type display, it is also for camera strip soldering. This practice can be used for these. You can see many strips here. We can desolder the lines seen in the strip by soldering machine and also by SMD rework station. Soldering machine has many risks because while heating, track line may cut. Then there comes a situation to jump the display. SMD rework station is the best to remove it. In both the corners there will be sticker and you should remove it carefully first. So let me remove it. So the best one to remove is to use the SMD rework station process. If so, it may produce lot of heat and the track line may cut. So let me remove the sticker over there. Remove the sticker carefully. Yes, I have removed the sticker now. And now I am fixing it in the PCB holder, fixing it tightly, and then I am going to solder. I am now applying the soldering paste. It is applied because it should not get damaged when it is overheated. SMD rework station process is going to done now. Add to and heat 300 to 350. So I am heating it. It will automatically melt. Wait until then. And now it is removed. See, the track line didn't cut. We have removed it perfectly. Could you able to see in the screen? Yes. The track line is perfectly removed. Now I am going to clean it with the IPI and going to remove the excess tracking line there. I have cleaned it. I am going to remove the excess lids by using the desoldering strip. Do it gently and slowly. I am using the desoldering strip to remove the extra lids. Remove it individually in each individual pin, that is in each individual lid. Now the track line is cleaned. And again we are going to clean it with the IPI. And if you have a waste cloth also, you can use it to clean it. I'm using a waste cloth. And now we'll apply a new lid. It should be smooth when we touch with our fingers. So yes, now we'll apply the new lid. apply it correctly. And now the display is going to be fixed now. The soldering process is done. We have removed the display, right? So now we are going to fix the display. Both the corners are going to be soldered first. Do it gently and slowly. First, both the corners should be soldered like I'm doing. First, I'm soldering the corners. Do it slowly and gently. Each individual pin should be soldered correctly. Like I'm doing. So now the soldering is done. I have done it. Let it dry, and after then we are going to power on the solder. So this is the solder display. We'll power on. It takes time. LED line track should not cut while soldering. So now the phone is powered on. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.